Welcome to the Gosu tutorial. In this presentation, we'll explore why Gosu is important for Guidewire development. I'll briefly introduce its applications and benefits, keeping things simple and clear. By the end, you'll see how Gosu can make development a breeze, and maybe even fun. Let's dive in. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's talk about Gosu itself, a programming language tailored for Guidewire. I'll touch on its origins and integration with Guidewire systems. You'll see why it's a big deal in insurance application development. Don't worry, I won't get too technical, just enough to keep you intrigued. All right, let's get hands-on. Setting up the development environment can sound daunting, but it's really straightforward. We'll walk through installing the necessary tools, configuring Studio, and setting up Gosu libraries. I promise to make this process as painless as possible. Syntax is the language of any programming. In this slide, I'll break down the basics: variable declarations, loops, conditions, and expressions. By the end, you'll think of Gosu syntax as your new best friend. It's simpler than it sounds, I promise. Data types are the building blocks of programming. Here, we'll review Gosu's primitive and object types, collections, and maps. Type safety may sound boring, but trust me, it's critical. Let's add a sprinkle of fun while we discuss these technical terms. Time to level up. Classes and interfaces make Gosu truly powerful. We'll talk about defining them, using object-oriented principles, and designing with best practices. Don't worry, I'll make it sound less intimidating and more exciting. Collections and iterators are where Gosu shines. I'll show you how to manipulate data efficiently and iterate like a pro. It's like organizing your closet, but in programming terms. Makes life way easier. Errors happen, like spilling coffee on your keyboard, but with Gosu's exception handling, you'll recover gracefully. I'll discuss try-catch blocks and best practices for dealing with errors. No need to worry, it's smoother than you think. Functions and methods are the heart of programming. Here, I'll guide you through writing functions, using parameters, and exploring overloading. We'll focus on best practices to make your code reusable. It's all about working smart, not hard. Unit testing in Gosu is like your secret weapon for quality code. It ensures your code behaves as expected, catches those sneaky bugs early, and makes future changes a breeze. Think of it as a safety net, because no one wants their code to break at the worst possible moment. Integrating Gosu with the Guidewire platform is like making different teams speak the same language. Smoother communication, fewer misunderstandings, and a better overall experience. When everything connects well, users don't even notice the magic happening behind the scenes. Gosu enhancements make your code more powerful, more efficient, and way more fun to work with. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a race car. Same fundamentals, but much faster and sleeker. Interacting with databases in Gosu is all about speed, security, and ease. It's like having a well-organized library. Finding the right book or data becomes effortless when the system is structured properly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.